ISOVER presents the CLIMAVER duct system, an innovative installation system for self-supporting air ducts based on the use of CLIMAVER boards. CLIMAVER ducts have many advantages in terms of installation and product performance. They can be adapted to large and small jobs both off-site and on-site, allowing on-site modifications if required. CLIMAVER duct systems are easier to make than traditional sheet metal ducts, and their lightness and strength ensures easy assembly and transportation. Acoustic and thermal performances are also ensured in a unique operation and provide better results than traditional systems. CLIMAVER are high-density glass wool duct boards used for the installation of self-supporting air ducts. CLIMAVER boards are rigid glass wool boards which are 3 meters long and 1.19 meters wide and have a thickness of 25 millimeters. The boards are lined on both sides with a reinforced aluminium foil on the outside of the duct and glass tissue, aluminium or glass fabric on the airstream side. Cutting guidelines are present on the outside surface of the straight duct to aid manufacture of the duct assemblies. For ease of assembly, CLIMAVER ducts are shiplapped. A unique male-female edge design allows precision airtight ducts to be formed. Note that the male shiplap also has a foil overlap on the outside face, guaranteeing a better joint between the CLIMAVER boards. To build an air duct network using the CLIMAVER system, straight ducts and duct assemblies fitted using CLIMAVER tools, which ensure a neat cut with a suitable regulation of the cutting knives. CLIMAVER tools can be classified in two groups. CLIMAVER MM tools are used to make the cut grooving in duct boards, and CLIMAVER MTR tools are used to cut straight ducts and transform them into duct assemblies. CLIMAVER MM tools have been especially developed for cutting the inner lining of CLIMAVER duct boards and are fitted with high quality and easy to replace steel blades. The CLIMAVER MM tools are used to produce cut grooves with a chair-shaped profile, which allow the duct boards to be folded at an angle of 90 degrees. This produces all the joints from a single piece of board. The glass wool is removed by hand as the groove is made. The red label tool makes longitudinal grooves on the board with a modified chair-shaped profile, allowing the duct boards to be folded at an angle of 90 degrees. The blue label tool is used to make longitudinal grooves on the board, leaving a flap for the final joint of the duct. The black label tool makes shiplap edges to enable the union of single pieces or assemblies. The white label tool has a set of blades at an angle of 90 degrees as regards the surface to be cut. It is used to cut straight ducts for transformation into duct assemblies, following the guidelines on the outside of the CLIMAVER. The yellow label tool has a set of blades set at an angle of 22.5 degrees as regards the vertical. It is used to cut straight ducts for transformation into duct assemblies, following the guidelines on the outside of CLIMAVER. CLIMAVER glue is an acrylic resin-based adhesive. Especially designed for glass wool applications, it is odorless, non-toxic and non-flammable. It is supplied in 1 liter bottles and is used to internally seal duct assemblies such as elbows. The CLIMAVER square ruler is made of aluminium and can be set at predefined angles, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. The CLIMAVER square ruler makes the assembly of straight ducts from a flat duct board extremely easy, as it is calibrated to allow the duct's dimensions to be measured along the bottom of the duct board. The CLIMAVER tape is a 50 micron thick and 65 millimeters wide aluminium tape. It is used in the longitudinal joints to seal the overlap and obtain straight ducts, and also in the transversal joints between two straight ducts. The word CLIMAVER is printed on the tape as a quality reference. The CLIMAVER stapler is used to primarily fix the aluminium foil overlaps before taping. The CLIMAVER spatula is a flexible plastic spatula that is used to remove air bubbles from the adhesion of the CLIMAVER tape to the duct board surface. The spatula is firmly drawn across the tape in the same direction to create the best possible adhesion. This is achieved when the lining reinforcement is seen through the tape. The double-edged CLIMAVER knife has two different applications. The sharp edge is used to cut through the board, and the blunt edge is used to remove any remnants of glass wool from newly created foil overlaps.